Let's look at 4 steps you can take to live on just $10,000 a year. If you are new to the channel and want to learn how to make money while you sleep, subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll never miss a video. Step number 1, live with others. By sharing living expenses with roommates, you can save on rent, utilities, and other household costs. In addition, living with others can help you to save on groceries and other daily expenses. For example, you can split the cost of a meal with your roommates or share transportation costs by carpooling. Step number 2, avoid credit cards and loans. It's no secret that credit cards and loans can be a heavy burden on your finances. The interest rates on credit cards are notoriously high, and loans can quickly spiral out of control if you're not careful. As a result, avoiding these debts is one of the best ways to save money. If you can live without borrowed money, you'll be able to keep more of your income each month. This will give you extra breathing room in your budget, and it will make it easier to meet your goal of living on $10,000 a year. Of course, avoiding credit cards and loans is not always easy, but if you're serious about saving money, it's worth the effort. Step number 3, cut back on your monthly expenses. If you're looking to save money so you can live on $10,000 a year, one of the best things you can do is cut back on your monthly expenses. By making use of coupons and special offers at grocery stores, cooking your own meals at home instead of eating out, and buying things in bulk, you can easily save hundreds of dollars each month. Additionally, ditching your car could save you even more money in the long run. Between a car payment, insurance, and gas, you could easily be spending 50% of your income on transportation costs. If you're able to cut back on your monthly expenses, living on $10,000 a year becomes much more achievable. Step number 4, have a budget. It's no secret that living on a tight budget can be tough. There are always unexpected expenses that pop up, and it can be tempting to splurge on a new outfit or a night out with friends. However, if you're trying to live on $10,000 a year, one of the best things you can do is to create a budget and stick to it. A budget will help you track your spending and make sure that you're not overspending in any one area. It can also help you to save money by forcing you to be more mindful of your spending. If you're trying to figure out how to live on $10,000 a year, creating a budget is a great place to start. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.